Hey guys, welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create an object that will cause damage to the player when they collide with it and remove some of their health. Let's get into it. So to start off, anywhere here in the content browser, we're going to right click, we're going to go to blueprint class and make a new actor. I'm going to call this let's just make a fireball today. So we'll call that fireball, open that up. In the add components, let's add a sphere. And we'll shrink that down a little bit. Let's drag this into the scene here so we can get an idea of the size. So I think I'll make that a bit bigger. There we go. Alright, now we will go to add component again and we will choose a particle system. And over here on the right side where it says particles in the template, we will choose, we'll do fire. There we go. Compile and save. So there's our fireball. As you can see, I've also got the heads up display that we created in the previous video and the health system set up from the previous video. So if you want that set up the same way, I suggest you go back, have a look at those. The link for those will be in the description. Now we've got our fireball here. Right now it's blocking us, can't do anything. So we'll have to open this up and click on our sphere, and on the right side scroll down until we find our collision presets, and where it says block all dynamic, we will overlap all dynamic. Compile and save. And now should be able to just run straight through it, but it still does nothing. So next step, back into our fireball, and I think it might just be easier to add a box collision, just like that. Then right click on the box collision, add event on component begin overlap. Now what we want to do is overlap with the fireball, have it destroy or explode, and then take health away from the player character. So to do that, we'll go from other actor, drag out, cast to the third person character, or first person, whatever you're using. I'm using third. As third person character, we can drag out and get health. We've already got this health variable because I made it in the previous video. So make sure you go back, check that out so you have it. So from get health, we want to drag out, hang on, my bad, as third person character, drag out and set health. Oh, and then from get health, we will do float minus float. We'll just do 0.5. So this will take away half of our player's health. Then we want it to explode. So from our set health, I'm going to drag out, we are going to spawn emitter at location. There we go. As third person character, we're going to drag out and get actor location, there we go, and connect that into location. For the emitter template, I'm going to click that and search for explosion, and that should be all good for that one. Now we want to drag out from the end of spawn emitter and destroy actor just like that. Compile, save. Now, this should take half of our player's health away when we collide with this fireball, and it should explode and then disappear. So let's see if that works. There we go. Exploded, took away half our health, and then it's gone. So it can't happen again. Now, we can also add sound effects to this if you like. So to do that, I'll just open up our Fireball, and over here, before we destroy the actor, we'll drag out from spawn emitter here, and we'll do play sound add location. Oh, we'll just do play sound 2D. Be fine. And we will choose explosion 2. Compile, save. Just like that. Should have the explosion sound. If we press play here, there we go. Alright guys, that's about it. Pretty simple. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.